In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply discount code in Holland and Barrett. Whether you're on the website or using the app, the process is the same and only takes a moment once you know where to look. First, open Holland and Barrett on your browser or launch the app. Browse and add the items you want to your cart. It's a good idea to double-check that the products you're choosing are eligible for discounts, since some promotions exclude certain items or can't be combined with multi-buy offers. When you're happy with your selection, open your basket to review everything. On the basket page, tap or click View Basket so you can see the full order summary before checkout. This is where you'll apply your code. Scroll if needed and find the promo box. It may appear under a section labeled Discount Codes and Offers, or simply enter promo code. If you don't see it right away, expand any collapsible sections and give the page a second to load. Now carefully enter your discount code. Type it exactly as provided, including any letters, numbers, and hyphens. Avoid adding extra spaces at the start or end, and if you're pasting, make sure nothing else sneaks in. Most codes allow only one per order, so pick the one that gives you the best value. Next, click Apply. The page will refresh or update the totals. Watch the order summary. You should see the discount appear as a separate line or reflected directly in the total. If you get an error, check that the code hasn't expired, that your basket meets any minimum spend, and that all items are eligible. Adjust quantities if you're just short of the requirement, then try applying again. Once the discount shows correctly in your total, you're ready to check out. Proceed through the checkout steps as usual. The applied discount will carry over automatically, so keep an eye on the summary to make sure it remains in place. Finally, proceed to payment to complete your order. If anything looks off before you pay, go back to the basket, reapply the code, and confirm the savings are still visible. That's it. Open Holland and Barrett, add your items, head to View Basket, find the Discount Codes and Offers section or the Enter Promo Code box, type your code precisely, click Apply, confirm the savings in your total, then check out and proceed to payment. Enjoy your discount and happy shopping.